Welcome to the second exercise of this week, where we'll be doing exercise 4.14. Here you have some information about this exercise, and I'll leave it here for a few seconds for you to be able to read it, but don't forget to read all the exercise in the exercise handout. So, let's begin. We will be using Excel once again, and the first thing we will do is to list all the data we have from the problem. We have some information regarding the forecast, on the costs, and on the product itself. Regarding the safety stock, it is said that it will be half of the demand for the days of shipping. With all the data inserted, we are now able to compute some information. Let's start with the basics. We can calculate the lead time. Here we have two lead times and the client is only aware of the total lead time. So we have to sum the lead time at the plant and the lead time from transit. The minimum shipment is easy to calculate, but don't forget that it is in kilograms. Since most of the costs are expressed in terms of units of product, we have to calculate the lot size in product by dividing the weight constraint by weight per unit. We are able to get the cycle inventory by dividing the lot size in half. We said earlier, the safety stock is given by the demand for half of the days in transit. Don't forget to transform the forecasted demand from yearly to daily. For the in-transit inventory, we just have to multiply the daily demand for days in transit. Finally, we reach the point where we can calculate the costs. Since all holding and carrying costs are the same, we can aggregate all inventory and multiply by the holding costs and the value of each unit. The transportation costs are simply the total demand, and since the shipping rate is given in weight, we have to multiply the demand by the weight of each unit and then divide the rate per 100 kilograms to get everything in the same unit. To get the final cost of each option, we just have to sum the two costs, the inventory and the transportation. As usual, you will have some exercises to do. You can find the link in the description of this video or in Fenix's webpage.